Hey, good morning, team. This is DJ from PTA. Just wanted to kind of go over a few trades from yesterday. Yesterday, I didn't trade, didn't see any setups. My primary stock that I was stalking didn't move like I would like. So when I don't see the particular trades or setups that I enjoy or that I'm familiar with, I don't play. So a lot of people that's in the Discord will ask me different questions, or they will expect me to take certain trades and different things like that. I'm very particular in my trades, and what I've learned over time is being particular in those trades help minimizes um, errors in trading. It also makes it more systematic, which is where you increase your probability of a winning trade. So every setup is not a great setup. Every setup might be, you might make money off that setup, but if it's not a consistent setup, something that you can measure, it makes it very difficult to have consistency in trading. So one of the trades I want to kind of go over is more of a video lesson of some trades that happened last week. Um, into this week is AMC. For instance, yesterday was the first day. It kind of bounced off this 419 area, and then really rallied up and closed higher. So that 1340 area is where it was very critical for people to look at. I kind of seen it from yesterday when it was bouncing around and doing what it was doing. But one of the key things about this is knowing your areas. So you seen that here they kind of went sideways and they ripped it higher, came back, touched it again, ripped it higher, and then they did the same thing again. But this time it actually formed um, head and shoulders move and kind of went higher. So for me, that would have been a great sign that this stock is starting to begin to get some strength. I'll keep an eye on it today to kind of think, what could possibly do. But if you took a look at this chart and then turn around and look at the SPY, um, it kind of did the same similar move and ended higher. So a lot of times, guys, correlating multiple charts, especially to the SPY, since 2 out of 3 stocks do move with the SPY, is a good indication to kind of look at where you should or take trades. So again, it bounced off of an area of that 419, and that was a key area. It was something that gentleman in the Discord, Ace, shout out to Ace on that. He's the one that kind of picked out that area from the other day. And this is where it kind of bounce, and then kind of take off. So this 419, 420 area. I know a few guys yesterday took some calls on that and made pretty decent money on this rip. But again, it's really identifying areas, knowing your zones, and then just playing around them. When they touch or around your zone, you pay attention to them, place a trade, and then capitalize on that trade. Now, the one that I did not play or I did not choose to play, which was AGRI, that was something I shot out of the Discord. What I was looking for was a bounce off of this area here. I was looking for it to kind of hold, break, and then continue on this way, but it didn't. For whatever reason, shorts took over. But for the most part, this was just a big consolidation day. Kind of went sideways. After hours, it kind of broke down from the previous day low, but it's been kind of holding this area. If you look here, the area kind of lines right up with this area here, right where it broke out from. So this might act as support coming into today, and then maybe we'll get to continue on. I'm not really interested in the stock unless it's about 430s, 450s area. I think that's a key area for it to actually take off from. I can see a lot of people getting squeezed out in the 470s, which will be around this area from the other day. So if we can get a nice little price action, you can see it kind of broke down from there. It went to that area, broke down from there. It popped up over there pre-market, but broke down from there. That's that 470 area that I'm looking for when it comes to that. Now, the stock that got away from me, I wasn't at the desk when this trade actually came about, was HOLI. HOLI basically had a pop move pre-market yesterday. Looking at the price action, this was kind of a one of those plays where you can get in, you didn't risk a lot. But I was looking at the key area. So we had this nice little wick out here on the 15, but it was still trending. So what I like to do is always see a red candle, green to confirm the reversal. Next one, the green one is this first green candle to me is always the reversal. The second green candle is confirmation. So your entry probably would have been somewhere here above the top of this candle, risking the candle 15.20. So you would have had about a 35-cent risk for a nice dollar gain. Again, market was pretty slow yesterday, so I kind of didn't look at this and didn't. I saw it. Excuse me. I saw it on the scanner, but I didn't decide to take any trades. And by this time, I had already walked away from the desk, dealing with some family issues. So, kind of wanted to go over that trade, give you an idea of how to look at these charts and plan out your trading day. And then sometimes stuff just doesn't play out the way you would like to, and those are the best trades, because if you're not losing money, you're not placing foolish trades. You're waiting for the perfect setup. That's exercising patience, and patience in this game wins. So, other than that, guys, if you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comments. I'll definitely reach out to you guys. And you can visit our Discord if you have questions in there and reach out to some of the staff as well as some of the other senior traders that's on the floor. We're just here to help. So if you have any questions, concerns, reach out to us. Other than that, as I tell everyone in the Discord and all of our staff, stay studying and stay focused.